Hi guys, today we are making chocolate chip cookies. Start off with 125 grams of melted margarine. Add in 1 egg together with 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix, followed by 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar with 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Mix it well and then set it aside. For the dry ingredients, start off with 1 3/4 of a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Mix all of this together. Now add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Don't be tempted to add in more flour, the dough will be sticky. Once it's all mixed together, add in about 120 grams of chocolate chips. You could also use chocolate chunks. I have also added in 6 blocks of dairy milk whole nut. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take spoonfuls of the dough and place them on your greased baking pan and bake for about 15 minutes. Enjoy.